Sammy? He wasn't the fastest boy in town, but he was the calmest. When something broke, Sammy didn't panic. He paused, thought, and then fixed it.
Oh no, Leela's robot stopped moving. Everyone tried to fix it fast, but fast wasn't working. Sammy had a different idea. Sammy didn't rush, he took a deep breath and listened. Sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to slow down. Sammy found the problem. It wasn't big or scary, just a tiny wire that needed to go back home. Beep boop. The robot was back. Lila clapped, the kids cheered, and Sammy just smiled quietly. Drip, drip, drip. The fountain was making a big mess. Some kids wanted to kick it or close it fast, but Sammy stayed calm. First stop the mess, then find the cause. That was Sammy's rule. He gently checked the handle, and there it was. No more drips. The janitor smiled and said, "See, kids,
No more drips!
See, kids, calm thinking fixes big problems.
Yay!
Sammy didn't fix things with speed. He fixed them with patience. And patience made every problem feel smaller. Moral of the story.
When we stay calm and patient, even the biggest problems
stay
become small
calm
enough
and
to
patient,
fix.
even the biggest problems become small enough to fix.